Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide your posts from a friend on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide your posts from a friend on Facebook, click on your account icon on upper right corner, then click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Now scroll down. Under Audience and Visibility, click on Blocking. Under Manage Blocking, the first option is Restricted List. When you add someone's profile to your restricted list, they would not see posts on Facebook that you are shared only to friends. Now click on Edit icon here. Here you will find an option Add to Restricted List. Click on Add to Restricted List. Now type a friend name. I am adding Tanzim Ria, this one. Just click on Add icon here. Look, Tanzim has been blocked. Now close this window. If you want to see your restricted list, click on Edit again and click on See your restricted list. Tanzim Ria is in restricted list right now. Close restricted list. Now click on Posts under Audience and Visibility. Who can see your future posts? Now it's public. Click here on Public. Just select here Friends and now click on Save. Now post will be visible for friends only. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.